Hello, hi guys, welcome to my channel Crick Fantasy. Today I'll be speaking about IPL T20 which will be played on 19th September 2020. So cricket action, cricket carnival, cricket festival is back into action. So with this, all the cricket lovers will be occupied from 19th September to 10th November 2020, 19th September to 10th November 2020. So this year's IPL, which is going to be played in UAE, which is sponsored by Dream 11. So eight teams will be playing this IPL. So the all the cricket lovers will be seen into action. All your favorite players, all their players are back into action after the coronavirus pandemic. So this is IPL 2020. In this video, I'll be going details of this IPL. Guys, first let's see with the sponsors. This year, the sponsorship title of IPL has gone to Dream 11 with the amount you can see within this video 222 crores. Dream 11 has sponsored, An Academy has sponsored 80 crores, CE Tires has sponsored 30 crores, and Paytm has transferred 28 crores. Guys, compared to last year and this year's sponsorship, you can see the difference 618 crores to 300 crores. Guys, just going in details about this sponsorship, I'm going 2008 to 12. This sponsorship was given to DLF for 40 crores. 2013 to 15, this sponsorship of IPL has been given to Pepsi for 79.2 crores. Next, this 2016 to 2017, this sponsorship is given to Vivo for 100 crores. And again, 2018 to 2019, 439.8 crores is given to Vivo. This year, due to the break between China and India, the sponsorship has at last has been changed to Dream 11. So IPL 2020 will be sponsored by Dream 11, main sponsor for, as I said, for 222 crores. Remaining sponsors are Tata, Ultros, An Academy, Cred, and umpire partners will be Paytm. Official strategic timeout partners will be Seat. Official broadcaster will be Star Sports. Star Sports will be giving 60 crores per match for this BCCI. Official digital streaming partner is gone to Disney Hotstar. So these are the sponsors details of IPL 2020, guys. So main sponsor, as I said, it's Dream 11. Next sponsors. Now just going to in details of sponsorships of teams. Let's start with Chennai Super Kings, their sponsors and partners. Chennai Super Kings sponsors are the Muthoot Groups are the main sponsor along with India Cements, Gulf Engine Oils, British Empire, Clear Shampoo, Nippon Paints, and Geo. Their associate sponsors are Equitos, Boost, BKT, Dream 11, ELMU, My Dubai. Their digital sponsors are Luffy Safes, Fast and Up, Fan Play, IB Cricket, Nova. Their radio partners are Hello FM and Fever FM. Their merchandise sponsors are Livista, the Solid Stores, Sonata, NAC Jewelers, and others. Speaking about Delhi, Delhi Capitals sponsors and their partners are JSW Group, Exhibit Cash, APL, Apollo Steels Pipes. These are the main sponsors, whereas other sponsors and partners are Geo, Echo, OK Credit, Bond Title, Colgate, Body Care, Nissan, Dream 11, Living Guard, Kotak, BKT, Boat, Coca-Cola, and Funcode. Delhi Capitals, which is led by a young captain Shreyas Ayers, and these are their title sponsorship. So we can see the main sponsors for this Delhi Capitals are JSW Group, JSW, Exhibit Cash, APL, Apollo Steel Pipes. These are the main sponsors. Now going to next team, we'll be speaking about Kings 11 Punjab, their sponsors and partners. Here again, as in Delhi, the main title sponsors will be Exhibix Cash, and principal sponsors will be Geo, Fina Detergent, Royal Stag, Music CDs, Dream 11, and Boat. These Preeti Zinta's team's official partners will be Stylam, BKT, and Fancode, which is of Dream 11 again. Official kit and merchandise sponsor partners will be T10 Sports. Their smile partner will be Colgate. uplifting partner will be Coca-Cola, and their good time partners are Kingfisher Premium. So in this case of this Preeti Zinta's Kings 11 Punjab's main sponsor, as I said, Exhibit Cash. Speaking about Shah Rukh Khan's Kolkata Knight Riders sponsors and partners, their principal partners are Mobile Premier League. We have seen many ads of the Virat Kohli in this day. Speaking about their official sponsors are Jio, Lux Cozy, TV9 Bharatvarsh, which was the sponsors again in CPL match which recently held, Astral Pipes, Royal Stag Music CDs, Greenply, Colgate, Medimix. Our official partners are again Kingfisher Calendar, BKT, My Dubai, IB Cricket. Their merchandise sponsors are as in like other boat, Crickfig, Fanhood, Gully, Suniti Industries, and Soul Stores. Speaking about Mumbai, four-time title winners, their sponsors are main Samsung, Colors TV. Their associate sponsor will be Marriott, Bonvoy, Geo, Astral Pipes. Their official partners will be Kingfisher Calendars, USA, Dairy Milk, Colgate, William Lawson's Music CDs, Dream 11, BKT, Make My Trip, Kotek, Mintra, Boat, Maya Dubai, DNF. As we know, guys, this team which is one of the most favorite teams in IPL. The main owner, as we all know, this is Mukesh Ambani is the main owner. These are the other sponsors. Speaking about Shilpa Shetty's Rajasthan Royals sponsors, we can see TV9 Bharatvarsh again was a sponsor for TKR. Nine sanitary napkins, KF wires, cables, and geos. Their associate sponsors are Colgate, Apsani, Big Basket. Again, official partner, as we know, Dream 11, BKT, Kingfisher. Their merchandise fanters are Fancoat, the Soldier Store, Gully, and Plus. Their official partner, Yellow Partner, Sports Interactive. Their media partners are UACT 1016, Big FM 92.7. Next, speaking about Royal Challengers Bangalore, which is led by dashing captain Virat Kohli, their main sponsors, title sponsors are Muthoot Fincorp, principal sponsors are DP World, Mintra, Geo Exit. Their associate sponsors are Astral Pipes, MPL, Max Life Insurance, Lifebuoy. Official partners, as we know, of this is of once it was of Vijay Mallya. So Kingfisher Calendars are their official partners. Make My Trip, MLO, Ron, Boat, My Dubai, as Optimum. One of the team which has been very competitive, even though they have not won the title, but they were runners up. Next, speaking about Sunrisers Hyderabad, which is this year led by David Warner. Their main sponsors are JK Lakshmi Cement. Principal official partners are Raco Tires, Dream 11. Again, their official sponsors are TCL, official telecom partner Geo, Smile partner again, Colgate. So these team sponsors, as you can see, that these are the details. Their official stamina partners are Tenil, Double Hoods. So Sunrise Hyderabad is one of very competitive team in this IPL 2020. So these are the sponsor details. Here also we can see their main sponsors is JK Lakshmi Cement. So guys, coming to now Dream 11 teams. One is total 8 teams are there in this Dream 11. Chennai Super Kings, which will be led by MS Dhoni. Royal Challengers Bangalore, which will be led by present Indian captain Virat Kohli. Next, Delhi Capitals, which is led by the youngest captain of IPL 2020, Shreyas Iyer. So one of the important team. Next is four-time winners, which will be led by the most successful captain. I mean, Rohit Sharma, Mumbai Indians. Mumbai Indians already won the four-time champions of this IPL. Next will be the TKR, which will be led by Dinesh Karthik, a successful captain, but yet to win trophy under his belt. Next is Rajasthan Royals, who was the winners at IPL season 1. After that, other than Rajasthan, we'll have Kings 11 Punjab, Kings 11 Punjab, which will be this year led by KL Rahul, which he has taken over his captainship from Ashwini, Ravichandra Ashwin. Next will be Sunrise Hyderabad, which is led by David Warner. He has taken this captainship from Kane Williamson. So as I said, guys, this year IPL total 8 teams will be competing: Mumbai Indians, Knight Riders, Chennai Super Kings, Royal Challengers Bangalore, Rajasthan Royals, Kings 11 Punjab, Delhi Capitals, and Sunrise Hyderabad. So we'll be seeing tough competition because each sides are having good players, both overseas and Indian players. So we'll be witnessing some good cricket. Guys, speaking about venue, as I said, due to this coronavirus pandemic, this IPL, which was supposed to play in India, has been shifted to UAE. So in UAE, totally in 3 places, these matches will be played. One is Dubai, Sharjah, and Abu Dhabi. 24 matches will be played in Dubai, 20 matches will be played in Abu Dhabi, and remaining 12 matches will be played in Sharjah. So totally these 3 grounds IPL will be played. As I said, 24 matches in Dubai, 20 matches in Abu Dhabi, and 12 matches in Sharjah. In Dubai. These are the guys. I mean fixtures of IPL 2020. I have given each fixtures of this IPL. This you can get in the Dream 11 website also. Detailed. It might not be so clear in this video, but these are the venues and the fixtures. First match, which is as I said, which will be played between Chennai and Mumbai's last year finalist. So guys, IPL is back. IPL we will be missing IPL in India, but we can see it. But we should be happy from one side that it's back in action. IPL is back in action. Guys, speaking about teams, let's see some detailed of teams. First, we'll go with Royal Challengers Bangalore. Royal Challengers Bangalore, which will be led by present India captain Virat Kohli. Other than that, Virat Kohli we'll be seeing Moeen Ali, Yuzvendra Chahal, Mr. 360 degree, ABD, Parthiv Patel, Mohammad Siraj, Pawan Negi, Umesh Yadav, Gurpreet Man, Devdutt Padikkal, a very talented player who should open this innings for RCB this year. Shivan Dube, all-rounder. Washington Sundar, again all-rounder. Navdeep Saini, young fast bowler. Aaron Finch, who will be key in this RCB side, will be opening. Chris Morris will be important in death bowling and others. Speaking about Sunrise Hyderabad, as I said, this year Sunrise Hyderabad will be led by David Warner. Until last year, this team was led by Kane Williamson. Kane Williamson. So other than that, Williamson, Manish Pandey, Vijay Shankar, Rashid Khan, Mohammad Nabi, very important player from Afghanistan, Abhishek Sharma, Bairstow, Wriddhiman Shah, Srivastava Goswami, Bhuvneshwar Kumar, Khalil Ahmad, Sandeep Sharma, Siddharth Kaul, Shabaz Nadeem, Bill Shankly, fast bowler from Australia, Basil Thampi, T. Natarajan, Virat Singh, Priyan Garg, Mitchell Marsh, again from Australia, Sandeep Bhavanka, Fabin Ali from West Indies, Abdul Ahmed, another. Speaking about one more successful team, was won 3 IPL titles, led by the master of captaincy, MS Dhoni. MS Dhoni, however, Suresh Raina has opted out from this year's CPL due to personal reason. Ambati Rayudu, Shane Watson, Faf du Plessis, Murli Vijay, Kedar Jadhav, Ravindra Jadeja, Gaikwad, Dwayne Brave, very important player. Karan Sharma, Imran Tahir, Harbhajan Singh, who also has opted out this year IPL due to personal reason. Mitchell Satner from New Zealand, Shardul Thakur, KM Asif, Deepak Char, Jagdishan, Lungi Nigdi, Monu Singh, Sam Karan, Jose Hazelwood, Sai Kishore. Speaking about one more team, Delhi Capitals, which, as I said, will be led by the youngest captain of this year IPL, Shreyas Iyer. So this team has star players like Shikhar Dhawan, Prithvi Shaw, Shreyas Iyer, captain Rishabh Pant, Akshar Patel, Amit Mishra, Ishan Sharma, Harshal Patel, Avish Khan, R. Ashwin, who has moved from Punjab to Delhi. Ajinkya Rahane again moved from Rajasthan to Delhi. Kangisor Rabada, Kem Wall, Sandeep Lamichhane from Nepal, Jason Roy, England, Chris Wokes from England, Alex Carey from Australia, Shimon Hetmeyer from West Indies, Mohit Sharma, Tushar Deshpande, Marcus Stoinis again from Australia, and Lalit Yadav. These are the team of Delhi Capitals. Moving on to Kolkata Knight Riders, which will be led by Dinesh Karthik, who will be hoping for title in this under him. There is a star players like Andre Russ, who can hit ball out of the park. Sunil Narayan, very important player, ball and will be opening winnings. Kuldeep Yadav, Shubham Gill, Ferguson from New Zealand, Nitish Rana, Rinku Singh, Prasidh Krishnan from Karnataka, Sandeep Warir, Hari Gurni, Nagarkot, Shivam Mani, young speed bowler Siddesh Lad, Ian Morgan from England, Pat Cummins, highest bidded player, Rahul Tripathi, Varun Chakravarti, M. Siddharth, Chris Ginn, Tom Benjamin, Praveen Tambe, Nikhil Nayak. So this is the team of Kolkata Knight Riders. Speaking about Rajasthan Royals, will be led by player Steven Smith, who had their suspension till March 2020, which is now uplifted. So he is back into captain. So Sanju Samson, Jofra Archer, Ben Stokes, all-rounder from England, Butler again from England, Ryan Perk, Shashank Singh, Shreyas Gopal, Mahipal Lomar, Varun Aaron, Manan Ora, Ankit Rajput, Mayank Markande, spinner who played in Mumbai, Rahul Tripathi, Robin Uthappa from Karnataka, Jaydev Unadkat, Yashasvi Jaiswal, Anuj Rawat, Akash Singh, Karthik Tegi, David Miller, Ocean Thomas, Anirudh Josh, Tom Curran from England, and Andrew Tye. Speaking about Kings 11 Punjab, again, which will be led by a top T20 player KL Rahul, again from Karnataka, Karun Nair from Karnataka, Mohammad Shami, Nicholas Puran from West Indies, Mujibur Rahman from Afghanistan, deadly dangerous player Chris Gale, Mandeep Singh, Mayank Agarwal from Karnataka again, Hardas Vijan, Darshan Nalkande, Sarfraz Khan, Arshdeep Singh, Harpreet Bar, Murgesh Ashwin spinner, K. Gautaman from Karnataka, J. Suchit, Glenn Maxwell from Australia, Sheldon Cottrell from West Indies, Deepak Hooda, Ishan Porel, Ravi Bishan, James Neesham, all-rounder from New Zealand, Tajinder Dhillon, and Pabishwar Singh. Speaking about Mumbai, the champion of IPL, who has won 4 times this IPL, will be aiming for their fifth title, led by the star player Rohit Sharma, best all-rounder Hardik Pandey, deadly bowler Jasprit Bumrah, one more all-rounder Krunal Pandya, Ishan Kishan, Surya Kumar Yadav, Rahul Char, Amulpreet Singh, Jayant Yadav, Aditya Tare, Ankul Roy, Dhaval Kulkarni, Quinton de Kock from South Africa, Kiran Pollard from West Indies, Shane Rutherford from West Indies, Rajit Malinga, who has opted out of this IPL, we will be not seeing him, McLagan from New Zealand, Bolt, Chris Lee, Nathan Coulton, others. Speaking about captains of IPL T20, Chennai Super Kings, which will be led by the star player Dhoni, and Mumbai Indians, which will be led again by Rohit Sharma. Then Rajasthan Royals, Steve Smith, Hyderabad, David Warner, RCB, Virat Kohli, Delhi Capital, Shreyas Iyer, KKR, Dinesh Karthik, and Kings 11 Punjab, which will be led by KL Rahul. Uh, speaking about highest bidded and retained player, Rohit Sharma is who has been retained by Mumbai for 15 crores. David Warner has been retained by Hyderabad for 12.5 crores. Virat Kohli, who has been retained by RCB for 17 crores. Rishabh Pant, who has been retained by Delhi Capital for 15 crores. Dhoni has been retained by Chennai for 15 crores. Ben Stokes retained by Rajasthan for 12.5 crores. Hardik Pandya retained by Mumbai for 11 crores. Sunil Narayan retained by KKR for 12.5 crores. Rashid Khan has been retained by for 9 crores. Bhuvaneshwar Kumar for 8.5 crores. Guys, these were the retained. These were the speaking about highest bidded player this year IPL. Pat Cummins has been bidded for 15.5 crores. Kolkata Knight Riders. Glenn Maxwell 10.75 crores. Kings 11 Punjab. Chris Morris 10 crores. Royal Challengers Bangalore. Sheldon Cottrell 8.5 crores. Kings 11 Punjab. Nathan Kuttanal 8 crores. Mumbai Indians. Shane Etmayer 7.75 crores. Delhi Capital. Piyush Chawla 6.75 crores. Chennai, Sam Curran 5.50 crores, Chennai, Ian Morgan 5.2 crores, Kolkata Knight Riders, Marcus Stoinis 4.8 crores, Delhi Capital. These were the this. Speaking about IPL winners list from 2008 to 2019. 2008 opening season has been won by Rajasthan Royals and runners were CSK. 2009 has been won by Deccan Chargers, runners were RCB. 2010 has been won by CSK, Mumbai Indians were the runners. 2011 again won by CSK, RCB were the runners. 2012 won by KKR, CSK were runners. 2013 won by Mumbai Indians, CSK were runners. 2014 won by KKR, Kings 11 Punjab were runners. 2015 won by Mumbai Indians, CSK were runners. 2016 won by Sunrise, RCB were runners. 2017 won by Mumbai Indians. 2018 won by CSK. 2019 won by Mumbai Indians. Speaking about highest run getter in IPL, Virat Kohli stands first with 5,412 run score in IPL. Second goes to Raina, who has opted out of this year IPL, is next in the list of 5,368 runs. Next will be Rohit Sharma in the third place, who has scored 4,898 runs. Next is David Warner, who has scored 4,006. As per my prediction, Virat Kohli, who might stay in top because he is leading. Suresh Raina was immediate next to him, but who has opted out. So Rohit Sharma is in third position and David Warner in the fourth position. If this was the runners, let's see who were the highest wicket takers. Lasith Malinga with 170 wickets leading the chart, but who has opted out of this year IPL. Amit Mishra with 157 wickets in the second position. Harbhajan Singh 150 wickets in the third position, but who has opted out this year IPL, will be not seeing him. Piyush Chawla again with 150 wickets. Dwayne Bravo 147 wickets. Bhuvaneshwar Kumar 133 wickets. Ravichandra Ashwin 125 wickets, Sunil Narayan 122 wickets, Umesh Yadav and this one. Guys, some records I just want to highlight. Records in the IPL history. Highest team total in the IPL is 263. So 263 again of RCB against Pune Warriors in 2013. Again, lowest is also RCB. So coincidence is highest RCB and lowest RCB 49 against Kolkata Knight Riders. Most runs by Virat Kohli, as we seen in previous clip. Next, highest individual scores is Chris Gayle 175 versus Pune Warriors, where a team has scored 263. Other than best economy in this IPL is 6.55 by Rashid Khan. Most dots in IPL, bowler who has bowled dots is 1249 by Harbhajan Singh. Guys, at last, speaking about prize money for this year's IPL, it has reduced half. We can see 2019 prize money was 20 crores, 2020 reduced to 10 crores, and 2019 second prize was 12.5 crores, but this year it's reduced to 6.25 crores. So guys, this is my overview of IPL 2020. Hope you enjoyed. Please like my channel, subscribe and share maximum. Thank you.